Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to search in Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Searching in Evernote is a straightforward process, and the app offers powerful search features that help you find notes quickly. All right, so use the basic search. When you open your Evernote on your mobile device, if you're using an iOS or an Android, there should be an option multiple here on the bottom part. If you go to the note section, there is find any note, task, or document. All right, all I have to do is type in. You have matter of fact, two sections here, standard or the AI powered. All right. You can use the AI powered search. You can find answers you need in fraction of the time. Try it now, free of all plans for a limited time. If you want to try this amazing AI powered search, click on the try now, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna use the standard, which is, for example, let me type in how to search. All right, click on the magnifying glass, and this would lead me to this section, to my notes. All right, which includes my notebook as well. In that sense, once it's loaded, all right, you also have an option here to click on the three dots icon. If you click these find in notes, it's another handy feature wherein you can search any part of your notes within the scope of it. For example, you're looking for something like maybe deep laughs. If you, it's a 0 of 0, right? It's nothing. It's not here. How about search? As you can see, it's kind of like the Control plus F or find in the document or Google Sheets, right? Now that's one option. Again, I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna head back to the. If you click the create button right here, you would be forwarded to this section right here. Find any note, task, or document. So another way for you to enter keywords or phrases from the note you are looking for. For example, a title, a text, a tag, and of course you just have to press the enter or return on the search icon mobile to display results. It's kind of really easy. All right. You can also start writing if you want to use the scratchpad. If you go to the notes, you can find any notes, notebooks. You can find any notebooks right here in the search button. And the task, you can't do it, but you just have to use the other options. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.